Nothing beats homemade ice cream, especially when it is this simple. Fresh mangoes, creamy yogurt, and a touch of sweetness, and a whole lot of love. Smooth and oh, so delicious. This mango yogurt ice cream is a treat the whole family will enjoy. With no further ado, let's make this ice cream. So guys, if you are new here, you're welcome. I will be using one full ripe mango. I'll just go ahead to cut it into two, and then I will begin to divide the part I cut into bite sizes, and after that I will go ahead to add it into my mini blender I'll be using to blend this up. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you know you haven't subscribed, like and share. So after adding it, now I'll be using Greek yogurt. I'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of this Greek yogurt into the mango, and after that the next ingredient is honey. I'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. This is optional. You can use 2 tablespoons. You can use any spoons of your choice. So guys, after adding it, I'll go ahead to cover this with the cover, and then I will be blending this in my Ninja blender. You can use any blender of your choice. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Another thing I want to say is that, do you know you can just drink this up like this as a smoothie, or you can use it for your parfait? Guys, anything you want to do with this puree is up to you. So after blending, this is what we have. The next thing I'll be doing is to pour this into a clean bowl. After pouring it, I will show you the next thing I did. Please guys, subscribe to this channel and like. Thank you. Now I'll go ahead to cover this up with a clean film wrap, so that it will not have any contamination with any other food, because I'll be placing this into the freezer. Guys, concerning the honey I used earlier on, you can skip that, okay? Then after this, what I will do is I refrigerated this for 24 hours, or you can do it, you can refrigerate it for 6 or 8 hours. Then I brought it out from the freezer. Our ice cream is ready. I'll just go ahead to scoop this out, and then you are good to go. This is so refreshing. Our tropical mango ice cream is ready. So guys, I just went ahead to add that into our ice cream cone and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Will you be trying this? If you do, please don't forget to share, like, and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video, and keep eating good food. See you in my next video. Bye.